Alarmed or anxious, a robin produces this ticking call. If the source of its anxiety is a passing predator like a sparrowhawk, or as in this case a carrion crow flying overhead, the robin switches to a thin ventriloquial call. It makes it difficult for the potential enemy to discover its precise whereabouts, but nevertheless succeeds in its purpose of sounding the general alarm. It's a popular fallacy that nightingales sing only at night. As this recording proves, it sings freely in the daytime, though it's less noticeable among the songs of other birds, such as the chiff-chaff and garden warbler in this recording. But once you've located it, there's no mistaking those rich, powerful notes, delivered in such melodic variety. Once learned, it can't be confused with any other British songbird.